on developing advanced computational solutions for cancer research. And our model predicts drug response for tumors. And we've been working with Cerebras for the last year or so in using that model as a test case to bring up the system. Cerebras is building one of the fastest AI computers in the world. It's very novel, uses very large-scale integration, and you can take models and accelerate them by orders of magnitude. And the faster we can train models, the faster we can search through different model configurations, the more rapid our progress is going to be on various scientific problems, whether it's in cancer or whether it's in drug design or whether it's in material science, designing new batteries or designing better photovoltaic materials. All of that's in some sense going to become limited by how fast we can do machine learning, and the Cerebras system is really at the bleeding edge of accelerators for deep learning. Pretty much every application now that's using deep learning that has large volumes of data and significant scale networks is a potential target for the Cerebras CS-1. It's very general purpose. I mean, it's not tied to a specific class of models or a specific type of problem, so it's not tied just to imaging or just to text. It can be used for any kind of deep learning acceleration where there's a significant need for increased performance. The way we're using the CS-1 is to essentially train the model at extremely high rates. This allows us to try different model configurations, to try different data sets, to explore methods for uncertainty quantification, where we train the model to not only predict an output, but we train that model to give us an estimate of its confidence in that prediction. And to do that requires, in many cases, more training iterations, and so the Cerebras gives us the computational power to do that. It also allows us to search for better neural network architecture. So we've been using it in that mode as well, and for doing hyperparameter optimization, where it can sweep through very large combinations of parameters. So in some sense, it's accelerating our research, but it's also opening up the aperture of the things that we can try in the same amount of time. We've gotten excellent support from Cerebras in terms of bringing the system up and tweaking how we should run it. We enjoy hanging out with each other, working on the project. I think it's a strong indication that the team is quite enthusiastic about technical problems, and that's been a great kind of partnership with National Labs, because our guys are speaking the same language as their team, and so it's been a great partnership.